In this video, I'm going to tell you how to pre-order the new ARM-based Mac computers. But before starting the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos. Apple has launched an upgraded version of its popular MacBook Pro, Macbook Air, and Mac Mini. The special thing is that in all three MacBooks, Macbook Pro, Macbook Air, and Mac Mini, Apple has used its in-house Apple M1 processor. Apple had said earlier this year that its upcoming MacBook would use its ARM-based chipset instead of Intel. Explained that for the last 15 years Apple's MacBook is using an Intel x86 processor. Apple has named its new processor Apple M1, which works on 8 cores. It has a custom GPU, an image signal processor, a secure enclave, and a neural engine. The Apple M1 is built on a 5nm process. The new ARM-based Macs are available to order now, and Apple says the computers will ship starting November 17th. But if you are ready to pre-order one of the new models now, we have compiled a list of retailers currently offering the new computers. Macbook Air. Currently, you can buy the new Macbook Air directly from Apple's website. You can get the Air model with an M1 chip, an 8-core processor and 7-core GPU, and 256 GB of storage for $999. For $1,249, you can get a model powered by an M1 chip with an 8-core processor and 8-core GPU, plus 512 GB of storage. You can buy a 13-inch MacBook Pro with an M1 chip that includes an 8-core CPU and 8-core GPU, plus 256 GB of storage starting at $1,299. Or, you can get the same M1 chip configuration with 512 GB of storage starting at $1,499. Mac Mini. You can get a Mac Mini with 256 GB starting at $699, or the 512 GB storage model starting at $899. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos.